Welcome to the mesmerizing town of Munnar, a place where nature's beauty meets history and adventure. Nestled in the western Ghats of Kerala, India, Munnar is a dream destination for travelers worldwide. But do you know the fascinating history of Munnar? Or how it got its name? Stick around as we dive into the story of this serene hill station and reveal the top 5 must-visit places here. Let's go. The history of Munnar. Munnar's history dates back to the colonial era when it was discovered by British planters in the 19th century. They were drawn to its cool climate and fertile soil, which made it perfect for growing tea. The British established vast tea plantations here, some of which still operate today, producing some of the finest teas in the world. Munnar became their summer retreat, offering an escape from the tropical heat. The name Munnar comes from the Malayalam words Munu, meaning 3, and Aru, meaning river. It refers to the town's unique geography, where 3 rivers, Muthirapuja, Nalathani, and Kundala, converge. This natural confluence has been a defining feature of Munnar for centuries. Now that we've explored the history and name, let's uncover the top 5 must-visit places in Munnar. Number 1 on the list is Araviculam National Park. This UNESCO-recognized national park is home to the rare Nilgiri Tar and the breathtaking Anamudi Peak, the highest in South India. It's perfect for nature enthusiasts and wildlife lovers. Number 2, Mattapeti Dam. A picturesque spot for picnics and boating, the Mattapeti Dam offers stunning views of the surrounding hills and lush greenery. Number 3, Kundala Lake. A romantic getaway, Kundala Lake is known for its shikara boat rides and the surrounding cherry blossom trees. It's a serene escape you shouldn't miss. Number 4, Tea Museum. Learn about Munnar's iconic tea culture at the Tata Tea Museum. From its colonial roots to modern production techniques, this place tells the story of Munnar's lifeline, tea. Number 5, Top Station. For a jaw-dropping view of the Western Ghats, head to Top Station. On a clear day, you can even spot the neighboring state of Tamil Nadu from here. It's truly a photographer's paradise. Munnar isn't just a destination. It's an experience that stays with you forever. How to get to Munnar from Kochi. One of the most affordable ways to get to Munnar is by bus. You can catch a bus from either Aluva, which is close to the airport, or Vitala Mobility Hub, one of the largest transit hubs in Kochi. Kerala State Road Transport Corporation, KSRTC, operates both regular and deluxe buses to Munnar. The journey takes about 5 to 6 hours, and it's a budget-friendly option for backpackers and solo travelers. If comfort and convenience are your priorities, hiring a taxi or renting a car is the best choice. From Kochi, the drive to Munnar is about 130 kilometers and takes around 4 to 5 hours. You'll travel via NH85, also called the Kochi-Munnar Road. And there you have it. Whether you take a bus, hop in a taxi, or drive yourself, getting to Munnar from Kochi is an adventure in itself. From its rich history to its natural wonders, there's something for everyone here. So pack your bags and come explore this green paradise. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel stories. See you next time.